Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And in the news today, we have Microsoft that is announcing that there will be a subscription for Copilot called Copilot Pro. So what that means is you'll have the basic Copilot that's available on your computer. But if you want something more powerful and that integrates with more apps, they are thinking and talking about a Pro subscription for $20 a month. It will use ChatGPT Turbo, and also the integration will help you apparently create, text easily, all sorts of spreadsheets. For example, if you use Excel, there will be help with AI on Copilot for spreadsheets creation, pictures, and a lot more apparently. So this is something that I'm trying to find. I do think there is, yes, a possibility of AI using AI for the possibility of creating text, creating different things of interest. Like I find that, for example, the creation in Paint, where I can actually use a co-creator to have images done for me, is nice. And these are some of the things that I like about it. And I'm sure that in creating text and Excel tables and all sorts of help coming through, because not everybody's necessarily good at creating these things, could be a positive thing. But I have a hard time that people would actually pay $20 a month for this. It's going to be very interesting to see the economics behind this, and if Microsoft can pull it off. One thing for sure, it needs to be much better than what Copilot is. So that apparently is coming. So there will be like different levels. And this is a possibility in Windows 12 or in future Windows, where some of the more advanced features for AI, for example, might be a paid subscription, and you'll have the basic AI functionalities if you just, for free, for example, things like that. So this is coming. Apparently, it's already been announced. So $20 a month for a Pro version of Copilot. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.